Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is an exciting wig transformation video. My hair is from UNice Hair and this is their blonde 613 13x4 lace wig. For the coloring process today, you would need your toner and your color. You would also need a cream developer, and the one I'm using today is a 20 volume developer. And I also have my Wella activating lotion, as well as I mentioned before, my color and my toner. I'm going to go ahead and pour that activating lotion into one bottle of the Wella T14 toner and just properly saturate the entire wig. Oh, and by the way, I have Tunji helping me here with this process to just bring my idea to life. I have done a color similar to this before, but it just wasn't what I wanted. So I have Tunji here helping me. I'm going to leave her Instagram right here on the screen if you guys are interested in the GTA area. So a few days after toning the hair, it's time to deposit the color. So what we decided to do was to achieve like tiny hints of purple that I wanted. We used 2 parts developer to 1 part T14 toner. Then, I saw this picture of Megan Thee Stallion today and this was the perfect color I was trying to achieve. But I'm not a professional, so we tried our best. Going in with that 050 violet additive, we're going to go ahead and just use 2 caps of that into the mixture and give everything a very, very good mix while we go ahead to deposit the color into the hair, going in small sections and ensuring that we're really taking our time with the frontal. Okay, so I pretty much let the color sit for about 45 minutes. Then I went ahead to rinse it off. And this is what the color looks like. It's such a beautiful grayish silver tone. Then I'm going to go ahead and take my silicone mix. You guys might want to get one that is white and not yellow like this because it can actually sting the hair, which is kind of what happened to me a little bit. Anyways, I'm going to properly saturate the hair in silicone mix to really deep condition it and to take away all that extra dryness that comes from over processing your hair. Because as you guys can see, we use a lot of harsh chemicals like the Wella toner. After about 3 hours of leaving the conditioner to sit in my hair, I'm going to move on to the styling and install. I'm going to start by plucking my hair in small sections just to ensure the hair matches my hairline a little bit more and it gives it that more natural look. I'm not doing too much, just a little bit. Moving on, I'm going to go ahead and apply some Bio Silk and properly saturate my entire wig in this product. I'm using the Bio Silk Light. Moving on, I'm going to go ahead and straighten my hair. I'm straightening the entire wig. I really like this hair, but I'm not really a fan of the lace. I wish the part was way bigger than this, but the hair does feel good. So I'm going to go ahead and just start doing some baby hairs. The baby hairs are barely visible, but it is what it is. Okay guys, so now I am done with my makeup and I don't know what I want to do to my hair. My hair is quite long. Let me actually stand up and show you guys how long this hair is. It's actually quite long, but I'm thinking of like cutting it around here and like putting curls towards the end of the hair. Yeah, like that. Yeah, I think this is like a much better length. So I'm going to go ahead and just start adding some curls. guys, so pretty much this is the final look of my wig. Once again, my hair is from UNice Hair. I am wearing that blonde 613 wig. Now my final verdict with this hair is the blonde hair is actually really good in terms of like taking color and processing and, you know, doing all of that stuff. Just make sure you guys, like, if you ever like treat your blonde hair, make sure you guys really deep condition it so that the hair stays soft and luscious. Another thing I recommend for you guys as well is Bio Silk. I'm going to include it right here, and the silicone mix, which I used earlier on, I'm also going to include it right here as well. The silicone mix is just going to go in there and work in those hair fibers and make it really soft and, you know, succulent and not crum. And the Bio Silk just, you know, add some shine and add some extra softness to your blonde wig. All in all, I'm very impressed with the blonde wig. The only thing again I wish is that they made the part 13 by 6 instead of 13 by 4, because I wish my part here was a little bit deeper. That way there wouldn't be like, I won't be able to see the wefts of my wig right here in the middle. And yeah, pretty much that is the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this hair transformation. Until next time, my loves, peace and love.